Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you stunning wooden terrace garden ideas and tips to create precious sanctuary and flourishing haven with beautiful outdoor green space of terrace garden. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. For many urban dwellers, a private terrace can be a precious sanctuary, a sliver of personal green space amidst the concrete jungle. But why settle for a bare wooden platform when you can transform it into a flourishing haven? Enter the concept of the wooden terrace garden, a captivating fusion of function and flora. A wooden terrace garden is essentially an outdoor haven built upon a raised wooden platform. This platform becomes the foundation for a curated space brimming with plant life, creating a vibrant and verdant extension of your living area. Unlike traditional in-ground gardens, wooden terrace gardens offer a unique set of advantages, making them ideal for balconies, rooftops, and patios with limited ground space. There's undeniable charm to a wooden terrace garden, but the benefits extend far beyond aesthetics. Here are some compelling reasons to consider this delightful addition to your urban abode. First, increased livable space. A well-designed terrace garden instantly expands your usable living area. Imagine enjoying a morning coffee amidst a vibrant display of flowers or unwinding after a long day surrounded by lush greenery, all within the comfort of your own terrace. Second, enhanced privacy. Strategically placed plants can create a natural barrier, shielding you from the prying eyes of neighbors and offering a sense of seclusion in an otherwise public space. Third, improved air quality. Plants act as natural air purifiers, filtering out pollutants and releasing oxygen into the surrounding environment. This translates to a fresher, more breathable atmosphere on your terrace, a welcome respite from city air. Fourth, urban oasis. A wooden terrace garden brings a touch of nature to the heart of the city. The sight, sound, and fragrance of plants can have a calming and restorative effect, creating a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of urban life. Fifth, increased property value. A well-maintained terrace garden not only enhances your enjoyment of your outdoor space, but can also add value to your property. Lush greenery creates a visually appealing extension of your living area, making your home more attractive to potential buyers. Now that we've explored the benefits, let's delve into the exciting realm of design. Here are 10 captivating ideas to inspire your wooden terrace garden. 1. Vertical gardens. Utilize vertical space with hanging planters, wall planters, or trellis structures. This is a fantastic way to maximize space and add a touch of vertical greenery. 2. Tiered planting. Create visual intrigue and utilize space efficiently by employing planters of varying heights. This adds depth and dimension to your terrace garden. 3. Cozy seating. Nestle a comfortable seating area amidst your greenery for a tranquil escape. Consider compact, weather-resistant furniture that complements your overall design. 4. Water feature. The soothing sound of trickling water can add a touch of tranquility to your haven. Opt for a small tabletop fountain or a strategically placed water feature to create a truly immersive experience. 5. Lighting magic. String lights, solar-powered lanterns, or strategically placed spotlights can transform your terrace into a magical evening retreat. 6. Flooring finesse. Consider adding an outdoor rug to define your seating area and introduce a pop of color or pattern. Opt for weather-resistant materials designed for outdoor use. 7. Fragrant delights. Incorporate aromatic herbs and flowering plants to create a sensory experience. Fragrant blooms and the scent of fresh herbs can significantly enhance the atmosphere of your terrace garden. 8. Privacy screens. Utilize tall planters or strategically placed foliage to create a natural privacy screen, shielding you from the gaze of onlookers. 9. Birdbath bonanza. Attract feathered friends by adding a birdbath to your terrace garden. The sight and sound of birdsong can add a touch of life and vibrancy to your outdoor space. 10. The power of playful accents. Don't be afraid to add a touch of personality. Introduce colorful sculptures, wind chimes, or decorative elements that reflect your unique style. The success of your wooden terrace garden hinges on selecting the right plants. Here are some key factors to consider when selecting the right plants for wooden terrace garden. 1. Sunlight. Assess the amount of sunlight your terrace receives and choose plants accordingly. 2. Climate. Opt for plants suited to your local climate and weather conditions. 3. Maintenance. Consider your time commitment and choose plants with a manageable maintenance level. 4. Container size. Select plants that will thrive in the size containers you choose for your terrace garden. And here, these the best plants for a thriving wooden terrace garden. Lavender or Lavandula. This fragrant perennial boasts beautiful purple blooms and thrives in full sun. Its low-maintenance nature and ability to deter mosquitoes make it a perfect choice. Succulents or various genera. These drought-tolerant beauties come in a wide variety of shapes, sizes, and colors. They require minimal watering and are ideal for sunny terraces. Petunias or Calibrachoa. These vibrant annuals offer a profusion of blooms in various colors. They are relatively low maintenance and perform well in hanging baskets or containers. Herbs or various genera. Fresh herbs not only add a touch of fragrance, but also elevate your culinary creations. Choose varieties like basil, mint, rosemary, and thyme, considering their individual sun and water requirements. Calibrachoa million bells. These stunning cascading plants offer a continuous show of trumpet-shaped blooms throughout the summer. They are ideal for hanging baskets or containers and thrive in full sun. Bougainvillea or Bougainvillea. This vibrant flowering vine adds a touch of the tropics to your terrace. While requiring slightly more care, its stunning blooms in shades of pink, purple, and white make it a worthwhile addition. Hostas or Hosta. These shade-loving perennials offer beautiful foliage in various colors and patterns. They are low maintenance and perfect for creating a lush backdrop in your terrace garden. Fuchsias or Fuchsia. These shade-loving beauties offer delicate, dangling flowers in a variety of colors. They thrive in cooler temperatures and are perfect for creating a cascading effect. Ferns or various genera. These graceful plants add a touch of whimsy and texture to your terrace. They prefer shady locations and moist soil, making them ideal for creating a cool, green haven. Cherry tomatoes or Solanum lycopersicum. For those with a green thumb, cherry tomatoes offer a rewarding addition. Choose dwarf varieties suited for container planting and enjoy fresh, homegrown tomatoes throughout the summer. Transform your wooden terrace into a flourishing oasis. As you've seen, the benefits are manifold, from creating a tranquil escape to enhancing your property value. With careful planning and the right plant selections, you can cultivate a verdant sanctuary that fosters relaxation, connection with nature, and a touch of urban magic. Head over to the Homes Decor Designs YouTube channel for even more inspiring design ideas and expert tips to bring your wooden terrace garden to life. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.